Sacroiliac Injections. Introduction. Once a sacroiliac injection is given, there should be no pain in the next 2 days. Select true or false. Correct. Though there is immediate relief after a sacroiliac injection, there may be pain again for a day or two before the steroid medication starts working. Infections often occur after a sacroiliac injection. Select true or false. Correct. Infections are very rare after a sacroiliac injection. A sacroiliac injection is always effective in decreasing pain. Select true or false. Correct. Sacroiliac injections are usually effective but may not help a particular kind of pain. Also, more than one injection may be necessary to control pain. Allergic and drug reactions are very common after a sacroiliac injection. Select true or false. Correct. Even though rare, these reactions could happen and could potentially, in very rare instances, lead to death. It is therefore very important to inform your doctor about all the allergies you have.
Thank you for using Explain.